Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, if 24 cans of paint are needed to paint 72 doors, then how many doors can be painted using 9 cans? Firstly, let us write what is given here. 24 cans of paint are needed to paint 72 doors. Okay. So, by using a can, number of doors can be make. So by using one can or by using a can, number of doors can be make as given by number of doors 72 divided by total number of cans, that is 24. So there are 3 doors can be painted by using a can. Okay. Now from this we can calculate that number of doors can be painted using 9 cans will be 9 into 3, that is 27. So our correct option is option B.